Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change displayed options on the keyboards with the Fonts Art application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. Let's skip this for now. And here on the keyboard you can see fonts, stickers, GIFs, hashtags, and you can choose from symbols and a lot of options from font. But if you don't like some of them, you can tap here on the top right corner to this settings icon, keyboard settings, and you can turn them off easily. You can turn off some fonts if you would like to. And if you go back to the keyboard, you can see that they disappeared. But if you would like to turn them back on, you can choose the settings icon directly from the keyboard here, and you can turn them back on. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.